Our a journey of equipment industry with capabilities built over the years, involving a large family of customers, dealers, and employees. Our journey of 60 years is one of commitment to the nation and to our customers. Our vision has been to keep the customer at the fulcrum of our activities, forming the basis of our three guiding principles: providing the right machine at the right time, fixing it right the first time, and quality is not what we produce, but what we deliver. These have stood us in good stead in our 60 years journey. The foundation of our journey was laid in 1961 by Tata Engineering and Locomotive Company, or TELCO, with the commencement of the construction equipment division